Kung gusto mong gumawa ng smart move sa real estate, kailangan mong maintindihan kung bakit ang action matters more than yung timing. Kaya sa video na ito, ibabahagi ko bakit hindi kami naghihintay, paano namin ini-analyze yung numbers, paano namin sinisigurado na kaya ng property kahit 8 to 10% ang interest rate, at paano namin tinitignan ang long-term wealth. Because para sa amin, as long as the numbers make sense, we will go for it. Hi, this is Investor Ian. Bago namin nabili yung first rental property namin, parang ganito rin ang aming naramdaman. Mataas ang interest rate, what if bumagsak ang market, what if walang tenant, what if mali ang aming desisyon. At honestly, we weren't real estate experts. Hindi kami milyonaryo. Wala kaming background sa finance. Pero meron kaming isang rule. As long as the numbers make sense, we move. At alam mong surprising part, madalas, fear plus preparation beats optimism plus delay. Maraming nagsasabi, real estate is too expensive since the 90s. Interest rates are too high since the 80s. Market will crash every single year. Pero reality check, Canadian real estate tumaas ng 300% over the last 25 to 30 years. Rents across Canada more than double. Immigration targets 400,000 newcomers per year. Ibig sabihin, kahit gaano kababa ang interest rate o kahit gaano kalaki ang down payment, real estate historically grows over time. Kaya hindi ang tanong, is now the perfect time? Ang totoong question is, does the property survive bad times? Good times is bonus. Bad times is the true test of the property that you have purchased. Bago kami bumili, hindi kami nagdesisyon ng bumili ng property dahil maganda siya. Feel ko okay. At sabi ng agent, good deal daw. Instead, we asked, paano ang rent to mortgage ratio? Property tax, insurance at maintenance. Ano kung tumaas ang interest rate? Paano kung mawala ng tenants 2 to 3 months? Kung ang tinitingnan mong property only works for the best and perfect scenario, walk away. Always plan for the worst case scenario, the lowest numbers you can calculate in. Kung kaya ng property mag-survive sa worst case scenario, kahit anong mangyayari sa market, secure pa rin. You don't make money in real estate when you sell. You make money when you buy. Maraming beginners nag-iisip na profit is when you sell. Pero yung sale, confirmation yan ng decision mo years ago. Kapag bumili ka, lock mo na ang price, lock mo na yung debt, interest, cash flow, at yung risk. Selling doesn't fix a bad buy. Hot market doesn't fix bad numbers. Example, Investor A, overpaid. Numbers work only at 4% interest. Barely break even. Investor B, fair price yung pagbili niya. At conservative ang kanyang assumptions. Stress tested at 8% interest rate. At merong cash reserves. Fast forward 5 to 10 years, pareho ang property tumaas. Pero sino ang natutulog na maayos? Investor B. Profit is baked in the day you bought the property. Not on paper, not emotionally. Isa pang insight. Kapag alam mo na ang numbers, protected ka. Hindi ka na kailangan magpanic sa market fluctuations. Kaya kami, every property that we buy, it's stress tested at 8% interest rate. Bakit nga ba 8%? This is according to our own personal planning. Interest rates in Canada went to 18 to 20% back in the 80s. Conservative gives a margin of safety. Example, purchase price at 400,000. Down payment at 20%, yung mortgage mo is 320,000. At 8%, monthly mortgage is around 23 to 2,400. So include your property tax, which is around $400, insurance $100, at maintenance na $200. Total expense per month is around $2,900 to $3,000. Now ask, can rent cover that? Can we survive the vacancy? Can personal income cover temporary losses? If yes, move. If no naman, just walk away. Maraming deals dyan. Minsan, ang simple calculation na ito separates a good investor versus a bad investor. Cash flow is not everything. Maraming beginners natatakot na negative cash flow ka on day 1. Pero reality check, rent increases 2 to 3% per year in Canada. Mortgage pay down builds equity every single year. Property appreciation adds long-term wealth. Tax deduction helps cash flow. Even a break-even property today will cash flow 2 to 3 years later. So waiting for the perfect unicorn deal is like waiting forever. Waiting has cost. 3-year wait. Rent increases $300. Property value goes up 5% every year. So yung 400,000 mo na binili, supposedly 3 years ago na hindi mo binili, will be $460,000 in year 3. Those are your missed opportunities. Higher down payment, bigger mortgage. So every year you wait, you are paying more for the same property. Time in the market is always greater than timing the market. We can control interest rates, government policies, and market cycles. On our end, what we can control now are the numbers, the location, tenant quality, cash reserves, and stress test. Control means less worry, less panic, and more profit. Kaya we don't wait for perfect timing. We build resilient deals. Perfect time to buy real estate was 10 years ago. Since hindi tayo time travelers, the next best time to buy is now, as long as the deal makes sense. Hindi perfect market, pero numbers protect you. Structure matters more than timing. Here's an example if you buy a property. Price is $350,000. It requires a 20% down payment. Monthly mortgage is $1,900 per month at 5% interest. Main floor is rented out for $1,900. Expenses are covered and you have a small cash flow. As long as you stress tested it up to 8%, the property is still manageable. Yes, market fluctuated, tenants come and go, repairs happen, but because you bought the right property with the right numbers, you will survive and even grow your equity faster. Buying right matters more than selling at the perfect time. You don't make money when you sell. You make money when you buy. That is why we don't chase hype. We don't force deals. We don't wait for perfect timing. Binibili namin ang property kapag ang numbers na nakalculate namin works. Stress tested at 8%, yung lahat ng downside na protected. We buy when the numbers make sense and we did our stress test. Yes, perfect time was 10 years ago. Next best time to buy is now, as long as you buy right. Like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next one.